Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Daedalus account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Daedalus account, firstly open your Daedalus application. The official page of Daedalus application will appear on the screen. Click on Get Started. Swipe the screen towards left side and the sign-in page will appear on the screen. Enter your email address and password associated with your Daedalus account, then tap on Sign In. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. In case if you don't remember your password, tap on Forgot Password option. This is how you can log into your Daedalus account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching.